Welcome to this tutorial on Lambda with receivers in Kotlin. Today, you'll learn how to use the this keyword within Lambda expressions to create clean, expressive code that feels natural and readable. This is one of the most powerful features in Kotlin that enables domain-specific language style syntax. A Lambda with receiver is a special type of Lambda function that has access to an implicit receiver object through the this keyword. This means that inside the Lambda body, you can call methods and access properties of the receiver object directly without having to qualify them with a variable name. It's as if you're writing code inside the receiver class itself. Let's look at the syntax difference. A standard Lambda has the function type written as parameters in parentheses, followed by an arrow, then the return type. For example, a Lambda that takes a string parameter and returns unit. However, a Lambda with receiver is written differently. The receiver type comes first, followed by a dot, then parentheses for the extension function syntax, an arrow, and the return type. Notice how string dot open parenthesis close parenthesis arrow unit indicates that string is the receiver type. Here's a practical example. The buildString function takes a Lambda with receiver as its parameter. The receiver type is StringBuilder, and the Lambda returns unit. Inside the function, we create a StringBuilder instance, then invoke the Lambda on that instance using .action. When calling buildString, we pass a Lambda where we can directly call append without needing to reference the StringBuilder variable. The Lambda executes with StringBuilder as its receiver, so append is called on that implicit receiver. Inside the Lambda with receiver, the this keyword refers to the receiver object, which in our example is the StringBuilder instance. This is why we can call append directly without writing sb.append. The this reference is implicit, meaning Kotlin automatically knows what object you're working with. It's similar to how you can call member functions inside a class without prefixing them with this dot. Lambda receivers are essential for creating domain-specific languages in Kotlin. Here's an HTML builder example. The HTML class has a body function that takes a Lambda with body as the receiver. The body class has a p function to create paragraph elements. The HTML function takes a Lambda with HTML as the receiver, creates an HTML instance, invokes the Lambda on it, and returns the result. This structure allows for nested, chainable function calls that look like markup. Now look how clean the usage becomes. We call HTML and pass a Lambda. Inside that Lambda, this is the HTML instance, so we can call body directly. Inside the body Lambda, this is the body instance, so we can call p directly with our text. No need for variable names or dot notation. The code reads almost like the HTML structure itself. This is the power of Lambda receivers. They create intuitive, readable APIs. Let's recap the key benefits of Lambda receivers. First, they create clean, readable domain-specific language syntax that feels natural. Second, you get direct access to the receiver's methods and properties without verbose qualifications. Third, they're used extensively in Kotlin builders like HTML builders, Gradle build scripts, and configuration APIs. Finally, Lambda receivers enable expressive APIs with minimal boilerplate code, making your code base more maintainable and easier to understand. Mastering this feature will significantly improve your Kotlin programming skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit kotlinx.html for more such useful content.